Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm getting a new foam custom cut for my bed. Now I don't know if you saw my last video. I had bought a Mondo King 3D, very comfortable but just too long. And for those of us who want to make custom beds for our vans, or unfortunately in my case, my truck. You can't have the 80 inches sometimes, and even if you could, once I get my van, you don't want to take up that much length because you need storage. So how do you get a custom foam? You don't want the gel if you're in the cold. Well, if you're in Arizona, unfortunately I'm on the East Coast in New Jersey, but if you're in Arizona, there's a place called Mesa Sales, and that's where I bought my last foam, and they even let me go in and rolled out a few and let me lay on it and see how comfortable it was, and then they custom cut it. But that's back when I had my wooden bed that I made. But now I have a 30 by 75 spring military cot. I'll show a picture down in here. It's really cool, and I don't want to give it up. But when I bought the Mondo King, I cut my foam in thirds, thinking, well, I'll make little beds for the rescue dogs my daughter has. But I gave back the Mondo. It's just too long. I highly recommend them, by the way. If they made one 30 inches and 75 length, I would have kept it. But if I want to go to 75 length, then I got to give up 5 inches of width. Not for this big mama. Anyway, so what you do, you Google upholstery stores, and I found one, and I emailed them, and they're willing to give me a custom made for just $50 with the military discount. Pretty cool, huh? So that's where I'm going. Before I switch you around and show you what I'm taking as a comparison, does anybody out there know of an Android app I can download so I can put myself right here but still have the forward-facing camera, the dual camera thing? Because to switch them back and forth, well, kind of a pain in the derriere. Well, let me show you what I'm bringing with me to the place, and hopefully the Google Map lady, haha, will get this directionally challenged MacGyver Sharon to the upholstery store. Alrighty, here we go. Turning you around. There is my big, beautiful red truck. You see the tailgate? My 75-inch frame goes all the way to the end of the tailgate and all the way to the end of the cab there. And now it's taken out right now until I figure out the leaks. The leaks are coming in somehow under here and somehow through the windows. So I moved my bed frame into my granddaughter's room. All right, let me show you what I'm taking with me. This here's the inside of my bedroom, my truck cab. I'm very, very sad to see it in such a state of disarray. I've taken out the Silly Goal Zero and the bed and anything I didn't want to get wet, put a tarp on, and some other stuff. So I got rid of almost everything. And then I come back to visit my daughter and son-in-law and see my new granddaughter. Turns out I got a couple of tubs stashed, well, more than a couple. So I got more dumping and sorting to do. So here's what I'm taking with me. This is the mattress that covers up my foam, or the mattress, what do you call them? Zip-up protective sheets. So I'm taking that with me. I'm also taking a piece of the foam that I had cut, if I can get to it. Dun, dun, dun. There it is. This is the foam that was my mattress. 4 inches, and it's pretty supportive actually. It's very comfortable, especially on that spring bed frame. Spring, it's not a mattress box, it's just a military beds. Hard to find. $10 at a Pine store, in Pine, Arizona, at their thrift store there. Nice place. I highly recommend them too. Oh, I miss Arizona. Anyway, so I'm taking this. I'm going to bring this foam in. We'll see if they let me lay on their foam there. Maybe I'll go, maybe I'll add an inch or two. Because I'm also going to modify my bed. You'll see that in a later video. I'm going to take off the legs and I'm going to add pipe for legs to make it stand up more evenly and have more middle support for my junk in the trunk. All right, let's get on to the upholstery store. So, New Jersey, farm area, out near McGuire Air Force Base. Just a little scenery on the trip here. I got to get my old Canon working, get some. Anyway, not really any freeways out here. They're like called turnpikes and stuff. Anyway, onward. And here we are. Check it out. SpongeBob. And there is my foam mattress. It's all 4 inches. I didn't go thicker. It doesn't make a difference. The density is 35. And he explained it all to me. I think the guy is a foam engineer. Very nice, very kind, and very intelligent. And you get to try all the different densities right there. And there's my old foam right there. So I'm set, and it is cut exactly how I want it. And now I just got to put a cover on it. All right. It's in my truck, all wrapped up and everything. And it's a good thing I brought my old cushion in so he could explain the densities to me and the feelings. So I just stayed in the lobby, didn't even go back, because he had all the setup in the front where you can sit on all the cushions. And bringing in the sample of what you want is good. And what he did explain was it doesn't matter if I got a 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, whatever. It's the density of 35 that I wanted. Otherwise it gets too firm. And he explained it in, he starts his engineering terminology, which lost me, but I understood it, but I can't explain it. So figure out your density. It's a great place. Foam outlet. If you're on the East Coast, this is the place to go if you want your custom-made foam. Let me get my thumb off of there. So, excellent, excellent place, excellent customer service. I highly recommend. And now, I gotta find my way back to base. Okay, first time I've had TV since 2015, when I'm a grandma. This is what I'm watching. Anyway, got the foam back home. In my granddaughter's room. There's my bed. These are the legs I'm going to redo, but that's another video. I already turned them backwards to fit in, but this hold your pillow thingy that I came up with, it's not working out. I don't want to drill any permanent holes because I don't want to, mess with the structural integrity of the frame. Oh, but we'll come up with something before it gets back into my truck, which is where I belong. Anyway, I'm keeping the mats I had put down. I took off the cardboard underneath. So you see, springy. There's the spare FR4. And there's my kitchen and my clothes and my various gear in that one. So let's put the new foam on and see how it fits. Now the bed frame I measured at 75/31, so what I did was I had them cut the foam to 74 3/4 and 30 3/4, because once I sit on this without the cardboard and stuff, I still have this little lip, so I'm hoping that will stop the mattress slide issue. Now the pillow slide issue, really bothers me. You see, normally my truck cab is right here, And on the other end is the tailgate, so my pillows don't slide anywhere. But I had to put this closet thing up over my bed temporarily, and I can't sleep under the clothes, besides little Jakey sleeping right there. So, we'll see. Let's get that foam on and see how well it fits. Hey, perfect. Fits right in there. I could round the corners a bit for the round corners. So there you have it. Oh, and what they wrapped it up in was more foam. I know I'm going to figure out some use for that. But anyway, this is how nomads with their van builds and truck builds and whatever build it is you're building to fit inside your vehicle, your home on wheels, this is how you can get a custom-made bed, because we know that beds are not the standard sizes normally in our builds. So now I'm going to put the mattress protector on it and make my bed. And then on to the next project. I think I have some babysitting. And then I still got to figure out those leaks in the camper shell. Okay. Well then, peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all take care of yourselves out there. Hi, Poppy. Ha ha ha. Bed's made. That is one comfortable bed. Say hello, Jakey. Say hello. Say hi, everybody.